Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Dancehall royalties available on all digital platforms. Make sure so go support the EP. You know, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, I don't know. So click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, the Office of Public Prosecution, the ODPP, is now saying that to date, no court documents have been served on the ODPP, nor have we received any correspondence indicating that the defense, including Mr. Buchanan, has approached the court for the release of the exhibits. Now they are saying, viewers and subscribers, that they are not the ones who have caused the delay to the Privy Council. Now in a response, our office is quoted as saying, the court is obliged to keep and protect the integrity of any exhibits used in a court process until all those processes have been exhausted, meaning until there is no more legal need for the exhibits. She's saying the court will maintain and keep and protect the integrity of any exhibits or any piece of evidence used in a court proceedings. Now, it's either viewers and subscribers, they are saying that one, they did not receive the document, or the document conveniently got lost in transportation. Again, just like what happened with one of the CDs that was traveling just from the Digicel headquarters building on Ocean Boulevard to King Street. As I pointed out, it's just a couple city blocks, not even big city blocks neither. Now, it is also key to point out that the Director of Public Prosecutions is also saying that because the exhibit is in the custody of the court, you could request access for them, even though they advised against sending the device overseas, which calls into question that same integrity of which the ODPP spoke of. Remember, yes, I think all of their salaries are paid by the government, both judges and prosecutors, but for the better part, there should be a separate entity. The court should at no point in time be instructed by the Office of Public Prosecution. Me not feel so. Be advised, maybe. Advised, maybe. But instructed, directed, no. Them could advise against it. But this more sound like they instructed the court not to release the evidence. Because for the better part, the court cares not. Judges care not, or should care not, whether or not the exhibit remains there or travels overseas for, examination. No Jamaican judge will ever oversee this case again. It is beyond that local level at the Privy Council setting it reach. So at no point in time will a judge ever be called or would ever have a case before his decks where these exhibits will come up. So for the better part, the courts have no need for refuse to release the exhibit. It was on the instructions of the Office of Public Prosecution. So by definition, the same integrity of which they keep on speaking of is what is also shining a light on the corruption that is taking place right before our very eyes, viewers and subscribers. Then no wonder people say them not get a fair trial. If the Office of Public Prosecution is instructing the registrar, not advising, not showing them, say, what you know, this is the type of individual, or this is the way, or this is the circumstances. No, instructing them, say, what you know, no, it is in the best interest of what? The prosecution. It must be. It must be in the best interest of the prosecution. It can't be in the best interest of the court. All the court want or need is for the case to be handled, a sentence or a verdict handed out, and this case moved along. That are all the court care about for the better part. Only the prosecution and the defense attorneys, and whether it be the appellants or the people in question, only these individuals really care about the matter at hand to that point. Only the prosecution will keep score or keep a grudge. Only the defense of people who their lives hang in the balance, where their lifestyles hang in the balance, and the individual themselves who are face the circumstances. For the better part, the judge just there to oversee and hand out the verdict, hear the case, hand out judgment based on the law, speak for the law at that moment in time. Basically, a judge speaks for the law. The law can't talk, and just words on a paper, and the judge speaks for the law during that moment in time. The prosecution used the law to prove your guilt. The defense used the law to prove your innocence. Simple as that. So for the better part, for no say, the Office of Public Prosecution can instruct the court is supposed to hand out justice. Then you see why many individuals have said this. They were not given a fair trial. Our people they knew were not given a fair trial, viewers and subscribers. Talk to me. As I don't remember, Isaac Buchanan was the one who pointed out that they are refusing to release the exhibit, and now them are telling us to their knowledge to date they have not received, or they don't know of the courts receiving any requests to get the exhibits. I don't understand. So why was this even a topic of discussion? Why was she saying that she instructed that no, them would approve of it traveling, but then pointing out say them not have it? So why your approval is needed? Why is the approval needed from the prosecutor if the device is not in their possession? Why would they care? Oh, the case, and then they want it being overturned. Why the court agree with them? That's what can't get explained. We know why the prosecution are doing it, but why is the court in agreement with these tactics? Clear corruption. Clear corruption. I am definitely in agreement with that statement. This look like clear corruption. We don't see no other name feet. There's no other way we can explain it. Or you that explain it. What do you think would be the reason why the court would agree with the prosecution or the prosecutors saying that no, them not approve of the device traveling overseas for examination, even though the court that this matter is currently before is overseas? What could be the cause of concern? Remember, this is the same entity who lose CDs while the device and them custody the device and make call. These are the same individuals. So all of a sudden now them so concerned about chain of custody and what happened to the device, and while it is currently not in safekeeping if we can use them track record as anything for go by. The device is in danger now. If their track record is anything to go by, we should be worrying about the device right now. Is the device even still there? Them still have the device, or what? We're not even sure now. At this point in time, we're not even sure if them have the device any at all. But I still want to call Jaden Chase, a dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view Well, I'm suggesting to you to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there to drop a like on the vlog viewers and subscribers. And boss a share on the vlog and tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. You know the something go. Comment section up 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can, yes, contain the reasoning via the comment section. So you know that go. Our move settings for my own need no lad, and my sentiments for you and yours, of course, wanna live, love, and prosper until we reason again.